4, 5, 6, give or take. Get that out of there. We're going to be putting this on there. This is the bridge unit, and this is the piston. This is going to have the repair fluid, and we are going to attach that to the glass so that right there with this right here. So let me get that attached and we'll show you what that's going to look like. I'm going to take my trusty mirror here, and I'm going to put that on the back of the windshield. So this would be inside the vehicle. These are screws that stabilize it against the glass here. And here we go. Okay, now we're going to put the repair resin into the piston. The piston has 2 pieces. So we're going to unscrew this, and we're going to put a few drops, say 7 or 8 drops, into our, normally the windshield tilts back. Notice now that the little spots around the split are getting smaller. You can see that, especially in the mirror. See how it's just starting to fill out. We're going to work this piston out, in and out a little bit longer, and then we're almost done. Okay. Let's see if we can get an idea what we're looking at here. Here's the damage right here. So we have a pit right now, but it looks like we filled most of these in pretty well. And all we had to do was slide this out of the way and take a look at it. If we put it back over the damage, we can continue to try to fill it a little bit if we can find a better spot. So it looks pretty good at this point. We're going to take it off and start okay, this is what you're going to use to fill in that pit. And put that back in the kit. Now we're going to take this and we're going to move this out of the way now, and we're going to put this little sheet right up here with that little resin right over the damage area. We're going to release this. And we're done with that. So now we're looking at the damage. There it is, and we're going to put a cure lamp on it now. Now for this part, you're going to have a light kit that's going to go on it. It can plug into a cigarette lighter or a battery pack. I don't have a battery pack right now, so we're going to pretend that this is the ultraviolet light that's going on it. And that would sit over it and cure for about 5 minutes. Okay, after a few minutes with the light, which we didn't get, that's going to help clear up some of this and okay, if you look over here, you'll see what the original one looked like. We had two of them. One was up here and one is like right in here, which we're going to go now and take the mylar off. And normally that would be all dried up from the ultraviolet light. A little bit of our... Alright, now we're going to take the little piece off of our razor blade. And we're going to use this little piece right here just to polish this in. Good. I'm going to put that on there. And we're going to take our razor blade and scrape this. There we go. And now that glass clean. See dramatic improvement.